What is that mysterious ticking noise? Catchy. Night, night, Severus Snape, 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 Severus Snape, Dumbledore, 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 Hermione, Severus Snape, Dumbledore, Hermione, Severus Snape, Dumbledore, Harry Potter, Harry Potter, Severus, Harry Potter, Snape, Harry Potter, Harry Potter, Severus, Harry Potter, Snape, Harry, Snape, Harry, Harry, Snape, Harry, Snape, Harry, Snape, Harry, Snape, Harry, Snape, Dumbledore, Hermione, Dumbledore, Harry Potter, I'm Harry Potter, I'm Harry Potter, Harry Potter, singing our song all day long at Hogwarts. I found the source of the ticking. It's a pipe bomb. Yay! Voldemort, Voldemort, ooh, Voldemort.